Hey guys, this is Daniel with Electric. Welcome back to my channel. Before you do anything else, please subscribe to my channel so you can see all my upcoming videos. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna install this disconnect. It's actually up on the wall already. And I'm gonna show you how to connect the wires inside. There's gonna be 6 wires they have to deal with. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see inside the disconnect, there's 4 wires on two. There's 4 screws on 2 of them. It says line. This is where we're gonna land the wires from the panel. We're gonna have 2 blacks coming from the panel and the grounding. We don't need neutral on this because it's a 220. So the wires coming from the panel, we're gonna land them on line. The wires going to the compressor through this flexible tube, we're gonna land them on either of this size. These screws, this one and this one. Now because we have 2 blacks, it doesn't matter what side the wire goes onto. So let's get started. Number 1, safety, because we're gonna work with the knife and a stripper. So step 1, I'm gonna bend this wire. We're gonna cut it, put it into the bar right there. And tie that down. Next is the line wires. We're going to bend them down just a little bit. Cut a little bit, strip about 3/4 of an inch. And land it on one of the wires that says line. Next up, strip again. And land the wire that comes from the panel to the other screw that says line. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Bend the wire so we can avoid that grounding bar. Okay, we're gonna use the green wire going down to the compressor. Go to the other screw on the bar, on the grounding bar. Make sure it's all tight. And now we have 2 wires going down to the compressor. It doesn't matter which one goes where. So this is a little bit longer. We're going to go on the left side. It's all tight. Make sure that none of the strands are left behind or bent. Alright guys, so this is what it's gonna look like. Again, wires coming from the panel, we're gonna go line. Wires going to the compressor, we're gonna go on the left. The 2 screws that are left. So grounding here. We're gonna put 2 screws in the wall to hold up the disconnect, and there's one up there. And that's about it. We're gonna put the plate up to protect the wires, and this is it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Remember, I will post more videos about electrical, and if you want something else, let me know. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.